Donald Trump.
China,
baby, billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and...
Yes, billions and billions of brain cells occupy your brain, but then, with all due respect, Mr. President, why don't you use them to do something sensible, like take action on climate change? Dear leaders of the world, why do you deny something that's undeniable? Why do you choose to have such pathetic views on climate change? In this video, we're gonna dive into the 3 main reasons behind climate change, discuss some of the latest research around it, and talk about what we can do as ordinary human beings to stop this monstrous crisis from further destroying our planet. On the 4th of March this year, an eye-opening scientific paper was published by researchers at the University of Leeds in the United Kingdom. The researchers analysed data from 300,000 trees over 30 years in the Amazon and the African rainforests and found that carbon dioxide absorption in the Amazon had already begun shrinking significantly. All this essentially means is that our rainforests are not absorbing enough carbon dioxide and that they may entirely stop absorbing carbon dioxide by 2035.
This research clearly shows that the empty words of politicians nowadays won't do much to stop climate change, and that we, you and me and everyone else on this planet, need to take action against it right now. But before we do that, we need to discuss the 3 main things that cause climate change. The first one of them being the greenhouse effect, or global warming.
When sunlight hits the Earth's surface, it can either be absorbed by the planet or reflected back into space. Upon being absorbed, the Earth releases some of this energy into the atmosphere in the form of heat. Now, some greenhouse gases like methane, water vapor, and notably carbon dioxide absorb this heat. In other words, greenhouse gases trap the heat from the sun without letting it go, and they essentially make the Earth warmer than normal. The greenhouse effect occurs naturally and has been happening for more than 1 billion years. However, in the last 50 years, it has skyrocketed to dangerous levels, and all the conclusive, strong evidence we have so far claims us as the main reason behind it. And I mean, that's not wrong, because looking at the kinds of disgusting industrial activities we humans do on this planet, it's kind of obvious that we would be the main reason behind this. Well, obvious to most of us. Not ridiculous individuals like, Donald Trump. The second reason behind climate change is changes in the sun's energy. Now, the sun follows a natural 11-year cycle of warming and cooling, and warming and cooling. And this can affect the amount of heat that is absorbed and reflected by the Earth. However, as you can see, this effect on climate change is minimal, and most of the effect and most of the causes of climate change are caused by us humans. Changes in the Earth's reflectivity is the third factor behind climate change, and again, this is not as major as the greenhouse effect caused by us humans. The Earth's reflectivity can be changed a little bit by human factors, such as the use of certain greenhouse gases and aerosols. Now, there are certain aerosols which increase the Earth's reflectivity, and certain ones which decrease it. However, as I said, the main reason behind climate change remains the greenhouse effect caused by humans.
If we do all these things, my friends, then climate change certainly will become a thing of the past.